know, we are continuing our Sigma Data Science series, and in this video I am going to give you some code version. I will give you a version of code now. So here I have just imported and opened my Jupyter notebook. You can see here, and I will simply run this cell. Here I just import them and create the data, and this one is for EDI. If this will, let me cut that because it can confuse you. So now we have a data here, and we will train a linear regression model on it. So I will firstly import from sklearn model selection. Like, I have a trick here. I just use this and write train test split. And you will see this. You can go downside and see what is the use of this thing. And you can simply copy this and paste it here. Then you can also copy this and paste it here. Okay, so right now let's just train without any practice like this thing, because it is giving some error. And let me go and write here linear regression sklearn. So now you can see you have a big page, and you can simply copy this thing from here to here and paste it. Then you can write LR is equal to linear regression and create an instance on this. Then LR dot fit, and you can give it the X. And it also need Y. So it is not trained model, and if you will predict on X, then it will give you the results and you can score them here. So here is a little problem. You have to pass here X, then Y. So I will pass like this, and it is giving us this thing, but we can say that it is perfect, because it is giving us this line. And if I will plot this line, okay guys, it is taking some time, so I will not do this thing. But now I have just told you the code and base code for what you need to do for a model training. So this is the main work, and all you must need to remember this cycle. Firstly fit, then predict always, and then calculate the score. So this is the cycle, and that's it guys. This is in the video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.